What's going on, fam? It's your boy Lazy Lightsaber, back at it again for another one today. So really quick, I was watching a YouTube video by a YouTuber named Review Tech USA, and he came out busting out screaming because Apple is apparently selling a microfiber cloth for $19, which is super expensive. And he basically rants about it. You can go check his video out. Just type in Review Tech USA, and you'll find it. But I did want to give him credit since he was the one that showed me that this was going on. But he kind of rants about how expensive it is and just kind of leaves it at that. But I want to take a different approach to it. And this is just a real quick video to show you what I did and a product that I came across. They're not paying me to do this. I just tried this out and it helped, because I feel like he ranted, but he didn't give you a solution. And a lot of people might say, well, why would he give a solution? It's just a simple microfiber cloth. What else could he have said? Well, there are different types of cloths and there are different types of cleaning solutions, and that's kind of where I'm headed more with this specific video. I bought this cheap solution. It's not even branded. Oh yeah, it is Atlantic. It's like it's a spray solution, but it's very thick. And what I found out, it doesn't matter what type of microfiber cloth I use. Every time I clean my screens, and that could be on my TV or on my computer, there's always a big streak that's left. And then when it dries, it looks blotchy. And I've tried, you know, all type of ways. I've tried to do it first in a straight line and then this way, and using less solution or using more solution, and kind of which one. I found out that not all solutions and cloths are created equal. Now, I'm not justifying the $19 microfiber cloth because I think that's complete BS, but I will post something on here, and it's called Whoosh. Whoosh, I actually found out about this completely accidentally. It was on Amazon and I came across it and it's like, oh, this looks decent. And it got really good reviews. So I saw that he made the video, but kind of didn't provide any kind of feedback on what else. Well, if you're not gonna provide, if what you're saying is that this microfiber cloth is 20 bucks and it sucks, what alternative do you have? And this is what I found. It's 15 bucks. It comes with the spray and it comes with the microfiber. It comes with two. It comes with the premium one, which is the small one in there, and then it comes with this large one as well. And then it comes with the solution. I think this is the best part of it. I actually haven't used these because I got some from Costco that came in a huge bag. This was like 15 bucks and it has like 20 of them in there. Really great value at Costco, but you could find these anywhere. I'm sure like Best Buy, Walmart, Target, etc. But yes, it's just a huge microfiber cloth. And it has like a bunch of them in there for like, 15, 20 bucks. So I went with this microfiber cloth because I actually like how it came out. And I cleaned all my devices. I cleaned my MacBook, my TV, my iPhone, my Pixel, they all came out really clean. This stuff works. It's only $15.47, so it's $5 cheaper than that version that's 20 bucks, and it just has a small Apple logo at the bottom. That's completely stupid. This one comes with two microfiber cloths, a premium one, and then a regular one, and you get the solution as well. This is the real star right here. Because at the end of the day, you could use a different branded, one. But it's good that they include these because these look like they're pretty well built. And then they provide the solution, which leaves your phone shining. The screen looks great. I use it on my Nintendo Switches as well. So I just this is just a real quick video just to let you know, try Whoosh out. It worked. It works great for me. I would recommend this product. Again, nobody's paying me for this. I paid for this for my own money, but I thought that people could be led to a premium way of cleaning their devices, of having a good cloth to clean their devices without paying a ridiculous Apple tax of $20 for a tiny piece of cloth that's this big. So I think this is the way that you should go. They have other versions that are cheaper if you just want like the spray or if you want like a smaller spray bottle with this, it's like $10. So it just depends on your budget. But there are solutions out there that are premium. I would definitely classify this setup as a premium cleaning solution, and you're paying less, and you get this huge bottle of cleaning supplies along with this awesome dual pack of microfiber cloths for your phone, TV, for your gadgets, tablets, etc. And you don't gotta break the bank. Just wanted to give you that quick tip. This is your boy Lazy Lightsaber. I'm out. May the force be with you. You guys take care. Peace.